Hello guys, welcome back to Zip the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to speed up a video on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple on how to speed up videos on Snapchat. So first of all, click on our Snapchat app. So this is the video I'll actually speed up now. So all you need to do is just click here. Yeah, just click on it and you scroll from your left hand side. Yeah, scroll it, and you can actually scroll from any side that you want. Yeah, just keep scrolling and you can see the video is very fast now. So this is actually it's right here. Yeah, so if you want it to be like triple fast, click on it, and this is how to speed up your video. And you can also make it slow. Here, this one right here, the snail filter, like makes it slow. Yeah, so that's how to actually speed up your video on Snapchat. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.